Hello, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and fit. Now, from last two lessons, we are learning about water and its importance in our lives. Then, where does this water comes from? Rivers, lakes, rainwater, etc. Now, in lesson number 10, we will learn more about water. Now, children, you must have taken a smell of any fragrant flower like rose. How does it smell? It smells sweet. But if you take water in a glass and take smell of it, does it have smell? Yes or no? No. Water does not have any smell. Now, you must have knowing many different tastes like sweet, sour, bitter, pungent, etc. You drink water every day. Does water have any taste? No, water does not have any taste. Now, children, you know many types of colors like red, green, yellow, blue, etc. You can recognize correctly which things has what color. Can you recognize the color of water? Does it has any color? No, water does not have any particular color. Have you heard the words like transparent and opaque? What is transparent? Transparent means we can see through a substance, and opaque means which we cannot see through a substance. Now, take a candle and place it on a table. Now, place a cardboard in front of the candle and try to see through the cardboard. Can you see the candle? No, we cannot see the candle. Now, take a glass pane, place it in front of a candle and try to see through it. Here, you can see easily the candle. Therefore, cardboard is opaque object while glass is transparent object. Now children, take a glass of water and place it in front of a candle. Can you see the candle? Yes, we can see the candle through water also. So, we have a conclusion that water is transparent. Let's see the next property of water. If we take some wheat or jawar flour in a dish, it will form a heap. Now, if we take some water and pour it in a dish, it will spread and will take the shape of a dish. What does it tells us? That water does not have its own shape and it takes the shape of a container. So, children, we have seen 5 properties of water. Water does not have smell. Water does not have taste. Water does not have any particular color. Water is transparent. Water does not have any particular shape. It takes the shape of a container. Now students, if we put a pinch of salt in a water and stir it with spoon, we will see after few minutes the salt is dissolved in water. But if we take a drop of it on our tongue, we can taste it salty. We come to the conclusion that some substances dissolve in water like salt, sugar, jaggery, etc. Thank you.